Hey guys, so I noticed that some of you struggled going from log form to exponential form or from exponential form to logarithmic form on your homework quiz on Friday. So I kind of just want to go over another way to do this that might help you. And you guys all know I have some funny little sayings for things. And what I'm going to show you guys today is something called bay. I know you all know what bay means, right? Can't forget about your bay or else they'll get mad. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to show you how to use this term to switch between the two forms here. First off, one thing I want to talk about is this subscript down here with a log. If there's not a number there, it's just a known 10 to be there. Okay, so if you don't see a number in the subscript, it's always going to be a 10. Now, that is where you start to spell out the word bay, B-A-E, okay? The B is going to stand for the base, A is going to stand for your answer, and E is going to be the exponent. So, you can use your bay in log form to rewrite it in exponential form. The B value is going to be the base of your exponential form, so 10. The E is going to be the exponent in your exponential form. And the A is going to be your answer in exponential form. All right? And if you guys notice, if you type into your calculator 10 to the 4th, you're going to get 10,000. That logically makes sense. All right? Some of you were giving me some wacky answers and they weren't logically making sense, but you guys should see right here 10 to the 4th does equal 10,000. Okay, so don't forget about your bay. On number 2, let's spell out bay again, B-A-E. 8 is going to be my base in exponential form. The 2 is your exponent because that's the E. And 64 is your answer because that's the A. Does 8 to the second power equal 64? Yes, it does. Woohoo! All right, now let's look at going from exponential to logarithmic form. Now the main thing I want to point out here is you can't spell bay right here. Okay, that only works if you're given the log, you can write out the word bay. But what we can do is label our B, A, and E value here. So 4 is your base, so that's the B. 2 is the exponent, so we're going to label that as E, and 16 is your answer, okay? Now this spells Bea, but we don't want that. So now I'm just going to rewrite this in log form to spell bay, B-A-E, right? So I have log, my base is 4, the A value was 16, and my exponent, the E value, was a 2. So this is that in logarithmic form. All right, same thing on number 4. 7's my base, -2 is the exponent, 1 over 49 is the answer. So now I'm just going to spell bay in logarithmic form. So log, B-A-E. My base is 7. My answer was, my A value is 1 over 49. And my exponent was -2. And that's it.